Welcome. This video will guide you through connecting your smartphone to your 2017-2020 Genesis G80 via Bluetooth. We'll cover pairing for calls, music, and using Apple CarPlay Android Auto. Note that wireless CarPlay Android Auto is not natively supported on these models, requiring a USB connection for those features. Here are examples of the infotainment system you'll be working with. Enable Bluetooth on your smartphone by opening the Settings app and toggling it on. In your G80, use the touchscreen to go to Settings, then Connections, then Bluetooth. Select the Pair New Device option from the Bluetooth menu. The system will search for nearby devices that are available to pair. Choose your phone from the list of discovered devices and confirm the PIN code on both the phone and the car display. Once confirmed, your phone is successfully paired with the Genesis G80. Once your phone is paired with the Genesis G80, hands-free calls will connect automatically whenever you're in the vehicle. To stream music, make sure the A2DP Bluetooth profile is enabled on your phone. This profile handles high-quality audio transmission. In your G80's infotainment system, select Bluetooth Audio as the audio source to begin streaming music from your phone. Once connected, you can control music playback using either your phone's controls or the buttons on your vehicle's steering wheel and center console. To use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, start by connecting your iPhone or Android phone to the Genesis G80 using a certified USB cable. Make sure the cable supports data transfer for proper functionality. Once connected, the infotainment system will automatically detect the phone and prompt you to launch CarPlay for iPhones or Android Auto for Android devices. The prompt usually appears on the main screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions for the system to access your phone's features. This may include allowing access to contacts, messages, and location data. Once set up, you can access compatible apps like Maps for navigation, Spotify for music, and Siri on iPhones or Google Assistant on Android devices directly through the car's touchscreen display. Experiencing Bluetooth connection problems on your Genesis G80? Here are some common troubleshooting solutions to get you back connected. These steps address issues like connection drops, firmware lag, and compatibility problems. Let's go through them one by one. First, ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both your phone and the G80. Check your phone's control center or settings menu. Next, forget the device on both your phone and the car's Bluetooth settings, then repair them from scratch. Update your phone's operating system to ensure compatibility with the G80's Bluetooth system. For CarPlay issues, always use a certified USB cable to connect your device. Restart the car's infotainment system by turning off the ignition and waiting a few minutes before trying again. Finally, check for interference from other devices or ensure you're within the 30-foot Bluetooth range. Avoid overheating by not using in extreme weather. The 2017-2020 Genesis G80 uses Bluetooth 4.0 or 4.1 technology. This older version provides reliable basic connectivity, but lacks some modern features found in newer Bluetooth standards. The system supports iPhone models running iOS 10 or later for wired CarPlay functionality, and Android devices with Android 8 or higher for Android Auto. Always ensure your phone's operating system is up to date for the best compatibility. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are not natively supported on these models. If you want wireless integration, you'll need to purchase and install an aftermarket adapter, which typically costs between $50 and $200. Bluetooth connectivity is limited to about 30 feet from the vehicle. You may experience interference from other wireless devices, walls, or even 5G networks in some areas, which can cause connection drops or reduced performance. The system doesn't support dual device pairing for simultaneous music streaming and phone calls. If you need both functions at once, you'll have to switch between paired devices or connection profiles. Your Genesis G80 doesn't support over-the-air updates. You'll need to visit a Hyundai service center for software installations. The current firmware version 2.7.2, available as of mid-2025, improves compatibility with newer operating systems. These updates enhance system stability and address bugs for better performance. While native wireless CarPlay isn't available on your Genesis G80, aftermarket adapters can provide partial wireless functionality. These devices, typically costing between $50 and $200, connect via USB and enable wireless mirroring for CarPlay or Android Auto. The automotive industry is rapidly moving toward wireless ecosystems. Newer vehicles feature wireless CarPlay and expanded Android Auto capabilities. Voice-activated controls are becoming standard, with 70% of new cars expected to have them by 2025. Looking ahead to 2030, expect full over-the-air updates, AI-driven assistance, and seamless connectivity. Your G80 remains functional, but consider upgrades or future models for enhanced features. Legacy support may decline, pushing toward modern vehicles. Your Genesis G80's Bluetooth system is reliable for now, but staying informed about these trends will help you maintain connectivity as technology evolves.